Hi everyone, 2023, that's the beginning of the year, and I wish you, to all of you, a happy new year. I wanted to talk to you right now about family constellation. It's the beginning of the year and we have all some wishes in the beginning of the year, and I would like to tell you that family constellation are a really good tool for that, because it helps you to go deep into the understanding of your soul desires. So sometimes we have to make choices, but we make choices from the mind understanding. But family constellation help you to stop with that. Stop to think with your brain and starting to feel with your heart, with your soul. Your soul, when you get born, when you get on this earth, when you get right now in the belly of your mother, you had strong desire to get to your enlightenment, to get into awakening, and this is where the family constellation can help you. It's not only for you to get this understanding or to get any information about it, but also to know how to make it, how to integrate it, and how to really go to your objective and make it real. So let's have fun and enjoy this new year.